Okay, it's Thursday, October 27th. Just following up on Tesla, you can see after that first bar, which started out as a big-looking shooter bar, it ended up at kind of a neutral bar. Eventually, we did work our way lower, where you had a big red bar to the downside. Bar number 2, we're following through a little bit here on bar number 3. We kind of took out these lows. I just scaled out of the options that I bought at 580 at 740, so it's a no-risk trade. These 230 puts. We'll see if we continue a little lower here towards the next target, which is the intraday low. At that point, you're still at the above the halfway point of the prior bar. So until we really reach that area and hold, that you might get a 50% rule, kind of a failure on the upside, taking out the 50% of the prior bar to target the lows of that bar. It's still possible, but for now, it's just it was kind of more of a trade just to come down and take out these lows here and then see if you get continuation or follow through. And now it's setting up at no risk here to see what Tesla wants to do on the downside. Again, not necessarily expecting a big collapse, but it is certainly possible. You have a kind of targets down here to take out now, at least in the very short run, and then we'll just see if we want to get below the halfway point of that bar, which can set up a really nice trade if it happens. But at least for now, it's a nice trade either way, no risk, buying the puts up in here, and then kind of watching this big red bar form to take out some of these stops at a minimum, buying the options at 580, scaling out at 740. So we'll see if Tesla wants to kind of hold in here and then just kind of break even on the rest of the trade, or do we continue lower?